If you're looking for the fastest way to demo your product online, CrankWheel might be exactly what you need. Imagine giving potential customers a personalized product demo in seconds without complicated setup or delays. Whether you're selling software, physical products, or services, this tool is designed to make the demo process faster, smoother, and more engaging than ever before. First off, CrankWheel offers instant screen sharing, meaning you don't need to schedule a demo or mess around with downloads. With just one click, you can share your screen with potential customers, making it super easy to show them exactly how your product works, right when they're ready to see it. No emails or links to manage, and absolutely no waiting. Next, let's talk about the simplicity of the interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to use CrankWheel. The setup is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to start your demo in seconds. Once you're up and running, the interface makes it easy to guide your viewer through your product step by step, focusing on exactly what they care about most. No distractions, just straight to the point. The third thing is the customizable experience. With CrankWheel, you can tailor the demo to each customer's needs, ensuring that you highlight the features most important to them. It's all about personalizing the experience and making it feel like a one-on-one meeting, even if it's happening online. Next, let's talk about the security. You might be wondering, is this safe for my business and my customers? Absolutely. CrankWheel ensures that all demos are encrypted and secure. Your customers' privacy is protected while you're giving them a smooth, seamless experience. Lastly, it's completely free to start using. Yes, you heard that right. You can try CrankWheel for free by clicking the first link in the description below, which also gives you access to some exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of the software. You might be thinking this sounds too good to be true, but trust me, CrankWheel delivers on all its promises. Whether you're a startup, a small business, or a large enterprise, CrankWheel is the fastest way to demo your product online, instantly, securely, and with zero hassle. By the way, if you're interested, don't forget to grab that exclusive extended free trial via the link below. It's an amazing opportunity to test out everything CrankWheel has to offer without any commitment.